Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore iPhone using iTunes on Windows step by step clearly. Make sure your iPhone is connected to your Windows computer using a USB cable. Download and install the latest version of iTunes from the official Apple website if you haven't already. Open iTunes on your Windows computer. Once iTunes is open, look for your iPhone icon in the upper left corner of the window. Click on the iPhone icon to access your device's summary page. Before proceeding, it's wise to back up your iPhone data. To back up, select Backup Now under the Backups section. Wait for the backup to complete before moving on. Now, scroll down and click on Restore iPhone. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Click Restore to confirm your action. iTunes will now download the latest iOS software if necessary. Once the download is complete, the restore process will begin automatically. This may take some time, so be patient. Your iPhone will restart once the restoration is finished. When it restarts, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. If you want to restore from the backup you made, select Restore from iTunes Backup during setup. Select the backup from the list and click Continue to complete the process. Your iPhone will now be restored to the selected state. And that's how you restore your iPhone using iTunes on Windows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.